Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning series. In the last lesson we talked about regular verbs in the past simple tense. Today we'll take it a step further and learn about irregular verbs. These verbs are a little different, they don't follow the usual ed rule, but don't worry. By the end of this video you'll be comfortable using some of the most common irregular verbs. And as always, we'll learn 5 new words and practice them in a story. Grammar. Let's start with the basics. Irregular verbs in the past simple tense don't add ed. Instead, their forms change completely, or sometimes they stay. For example, go becomes went. Yesterday I went to the market. Eat becomes ate. Last night she ate a delicious dinner. Buy becomes bought. He bought a new phone. Take becomes took. I took a picture of the sunset. See becomes saw. They saw a beautiful bird. Remember, you just need to memorize these forms. But don't worry, practice makes perfect. Now let's learn our 5 new words for today. Vocabulary. Repeat after me. 1. Went, the past form of go. 2. Ate, the past form of eat. 3. Bought, the past form of buy. 4. Took, the past form of take. 5. Saw, the past form of see. Let's try using them in sentences. Yesterday I went to the park. She ate a big breakfast. He bought a new book. We took some great photos. They saw a funny movie. Great! Now let's move on to the story. Listen carefully to this short story. Try to catch how I use today's grammar and vocabulary. Story. Last weekend, Tom had an exciting day. He woke up early and went to the city centre. First, he ate breakfast at his favourite cafe. After breakfast, he bought some gifts for his family. Then he took a taxi to the park, where he saw an art exhibition. He spent the afternoon enjoying the artwork and taking photos. Finally, he went home feeling happy and relaxed. Did you hear all the new words? Let's see if you can find them in the reading section. Here's the same story for you to read. Reading. Last weekend, Tom had an exciting day. He woke up early and went to the city centre. First, he ate breakfast at his favourite cafe. After breakfast, he bought some gifts for his family. Then he took a taxi to the park, where he saw an art exhibition. He spent the afternoon enjoying the artwork and taking photos. Finally, he went home feeling happy and relaxed. Now let's check your understanding with some questions. Choose the best answer. Question. Question 1. Where did Tom go first? Question 2. What did Tom buy? Question 3. What did Tom see in the park? Think about your answers. Ready to check? Here are the answers. Answer. How many did you get right? Well done. Remember, irregular verbs take practice, so use them in your daily conversations. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to ask questions in the past simple tense. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.